Hello, this is Diane Birnholz. And in terms of timing, civil cases almost always take a backseat to criminal cases, just as occurred here with the Karen Reed case. The criminal case for murder took place before the O'Keefe family civil case for wrongful death. So one big reason why criminal cases take priority is because they're considered more serious, both to the defendant and to society at large in protecting the public from harm. And another reason is because prosecutors do not want their witnesses testifying multiple times under oath in a civil case before a criminal trial happens. Because in a civil case, you have depositions, interrogatories, and then the actual testifying at trial, all under oath. And even if the prosecution's witnesses are being completely truthful, they will already have testified multiple times if the civil case goes first. And each time they might mention certain details or omit certain details or tell the details with slightly different wording in the civil case than ultimately in the criminal case. Now, the Karen Reed prosecution was a state prosecution, but as a former federal prosecutor, I can tell you that in federal court, almost all prosecutions begin with a grand jury indicting the defendant. And that typically involves only the case agent testifying before the grand jury about what the underlying facts are. This is allowed because hearsay is allowed in the grand jury context. So as federal prosecutors, we would not typically be calling all the underlying fact witnesses at the grand jury stage. So except for the case agent who might be a special agent, say for the FBI, they would not be testifying until the actual trial. So that way, it's more difficult for a defense attorney to impeach the prosecution's witnesses on the stand at trial. So please follow me, and I'll be addressing additional questions you may have about criminal law and ongoing criminal cases. Thank you very much.